What's up, guys? Day 13-ish?
Yeah, 13.
Day 13. We're here. We're on the front seat for the first time. Yep, we got bonfire burritos.
We all got the same one. Let's see how it's tasting.
Very good.
Yeah. I give it a 9.27 out of 10.
That's a great number.
Whoa, nice.
I'd give mine a 9.14 out of 10.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is a
That's a good joke, man.
9.7.
9.7.
Mm-hmm.
We restocked, cleaned the van. And going to Rocky Mountain now. Gonna go see some falls.
Mm-hmm.
Jaden has his contacts. Kind
My
of.
contacts, but they're not in
Until day 23.
Yeah.
until 10 days worth.
Day 23. Okay. I don't know what happened. Okay. Goodbye, guys.
That looks treacherous. I'm gonna zoom in more.
Billy, rate the bridge.
Eight out of 10. I like the old, classic, vintage type look. It reminds me of Michael. Yeah.
Jaden, what do you think? How's the architecture of the bridge?
It's nice. It's sturdy. It's beautiful. Let's say it's hand carved. I give it a 7.5 out of 10 on the architectural scale.
Great, man. We got an average of 7.75.
Beautiful. Yes.
Guys, rate the lunch. Beef stick and Gunslinger. He's got the peach. Mike's got the amber ale. I've got the lager. I don't know if those are the correct flavors. Well, that's the falls right there. It's pretty cool. Beef stick. 360. Chippy video. You can see the chippy there. It's super chill and cinematic. Chippy.
Hello, everybody. It's Michael
guys?
and I here. We're waiting for Billy, but he's taking too long to put his socks on.
We got a view of the full moon.
Oh, I can't put it. I can't turn it around.
Gotta come over here. Should see it from here, right here.
Where is it?
There it is.
There it is. There it is. I can't zoom in, but
Almost full moon, I'd say.
almost a full moon. Mike and I are here. And we've got the Crown Royale. Billy's gonna have to take a double swig because he did not get here in time. So Michael and I will be taking one swig.
To celebrate the beginning of the new crew of the van.
To celebrate my appearance.
Ascendance.
So cheers. Ugh. All right, now we wait for Billy. Billy finally arrived.
Guys, this is what I get for being bear safe. Trying to keep our fucking camp from being attacked by bears. You know, but these guys chilling out here, bro. You know, tight vibes. Mr. Murray, the third. I'm keeping your son safe out here. Well, he's out here not being safe. You're welcome. All right, guys. Dinner time. Mike and Jaden are having some fucking fish sandwiches.
Tuna creations.
I'm having carrots and a protein shake because I'm not too hungry because we drank a lot of beers and it was Michael's fault because he's an alcoholic. Good night.